Well, this is the original photo, and this is the one that has been recreated into a pixel art using Gemini's Nano Banana. And as you can see, Gemini is able to maintain more or less the same characteristic. It can keep the overall outfit, skin color, and body language, but it will turn your character into a style much more akin to video games that were released in the 80s and 90s. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate this style based on any photo using Gemini's Nano Banana. So let's go to Gemini and you can log in with your Google account. So for this demonstration, I will use this photo that I found on this website. So let me just copy it and I'm going to paste that into Gemini. So about the prompt, this is the prompt that you can use, and I'll show you a few things that you can customize on this instruction. And by the way, this prompt should be available in the video description down below, so you can copy and paste it directly into Gemini. Now here, there are two things that you can modify. First, you can change the resolution. So actually you can keep it as it is, but if you want to be more specific, let's say you want to make the resolution to be smaller or bigger, then you can select which one of these options that you want to try. It could be 32 or 64. It is really up to you. In this case, I want to make the resolution to be smaller, so it's going to feel like more authentic from real video games. And also you can specify the background color. By default it is using the white plain background, but you can change the color to green, blue, or perhaps black. It's really up to you. Now after that, you can click tools, click create images, and send the message. Now there is one thing here that I have to mention, that this prompt is actually made specifically for Gemini's Nano Banana. I cannot guarantee if this prompt will work on Flux or ChatGPT, GPT-4o image generation, because they have different systems, different models, and so there's no guarantee that this prompt will work, but perhaps you can still use this prompt as a sort of inspiration. So we got this result. As you can see, it looks pretty amazing, and that's why I do like using the smaller resolution, because it's going to look and feel like a real video game character, and perhaps you can use it as inspiration for your video games project. So that's basically how you can turn any selfie into a pixel art video game character using Gemini's Nano Banana. Again, the prompt can be found in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.